Can you actually see who posted anonymously on Facebook? Short answer, most of the time, no. But there are a few important exceptions you should know. When someone posts anonymously in a Facebook group, their name is hidden from regular members. So if you're just a member, you won't be able to see who posted it. However, if you're a group admin or moderator, it's a bit different. Admins and mods can see who made the anonymous post for moderation and safety reasons. If you are an admin or mod, here's how to check it. Open the group and find the anonymous post. Hover your cursor over anonymous member, or if you're using the mobile app of Facebook, click on it instead. From there, you'll see the details or a note showing who actually posted it. This info is only visible to admins and moderators. For everyone else, there's no legit way to reveal the identity. Any app or website claiming it can show anonymous posters is most likely fake or unsafe. So unless you're managing the group, anonymous posts stay anonymous. That's just how Facebook designed it. If this video helped you, please leave a like or subscribe for more tech tutorials like this.